all you've done so far is describe a flat Earth, though, Brenda. Is
Answer
that
the
not
question.
clear? You don't need to
Answer
keep
the
talking through
question.
me.
Answer me.
Get get more aggressive for me. You just get
Answer the
that
question.
testosterone flowing for us, Brenda.
That's begging the question. You're presupposing your answer.
So why would we be doing this then? Why would we be following this process if it's not the surface of Earth? What were we navigating exactly?
We're navigating the Earth. The angle formed at your eye, which is taken from zenith, isn't necessarily the surface of the Earth from those points on the Earth.
Even though when I ask you what we're doing this for, it's navigating Earth.
From those points on the Earth isn't necessarily the surface of the Earth. From those points on the Earth isn't necessarily the surface of the Earth. We're navigating the Earth. Isn't necessarily the surface of the Earth from those points on the Earth. It's 20 degrees elevation, let's say, from those points on the Earth forms a circle of equal elevation. It has nothing to do with the GP that's formed later.
So all you've done so far is describe a flat Earth, though, Brenda.
No, it doesn't follow.
How does it not follow that what you've drawn out in terms of angles, straight lines, and areas of equal elevation isn't areas of equal elevation, also known as equal altitude, circles of equal altitude? They're equal altitude. Equal.
Because I'll tell you why.
I haven't quite finished. They're equal in elevation. They are equal in altitude, Brenda.
Yeah, because the angle formed at your eye, which is taken from zenith, isn't necessarily the surface of the Earth. That's begging the question. You're presupposing your answer.
So why would we be doing this then? Why would we be following this process if it's not the surface of Earth? What were we navigating exactly?
We're navigating the Earth, yes.
So it's simultaneously us finding our position on the Earth and navigating the Earth, but it also has nothing to do with the Earth, these areas of equal elevation. That's areas that have the same elevation. Those have nothing to do with the Earth when they're... Is this the third time you've interrupted this? This is you being super polite, isn't it, Brenda? Like you told me in the politics server. You're trying really hard and failing to be... And failing miserably because you're incredibly rude. Yeah? Bullish. Yeah? Aggressive. Like full of testosterone. Just calm down, Brenda. Yeah? I'm talking about areas of equal elevation that you've just denied having anything to do with the Earth, even though when I ask you what we're doing this for, it's navigating Earth. You seem to be in cognitive dissonance there. Why would that be?
Yeah, angles don't have baselines.
Good job, Brenda. Level doesn't curve. You made it.
It's a line of sight. It's a line of sight to the. It's a line of sight to the celestial object, taken from zenith. Either subtract from the zenith or add from the perpendicular to your point where you are.
I see. And what tool would you measure this with? What tool would you measure this zenith with?
Sextant.
I see. And what part of the sextant, what mirror would you look at?
The horizon mirror.
That doesn't sound like it's giving me a zenith. It sounds like zenith is something above my head coming down directly through my head, but you say we look at a horizon mirror to get a zenith. I would suggest that that would be establishing a horizontal plane with the horizon as opposed to a zenith angle, as you're inferring. You seem to constantly affirm that we are measuring from zenith. No. As you've just clearly pointed out, the tool measures the horizon. It doesn't measure an angle from a zenith. So it seems that you are fundamentally incorrect about how we measure these angles. So we're measuring them with respect to the horizon then. That would be a straight, flat Earth established with the horizon, not with a zenith, as you've said about 4 times. So could you concede now that we're not measuring it with a zenith, we're measuring it with the frickin' horizon because we're using the horizon mirror, correct? Don't need to affirm. You don't need to affirm. You don't need to affirm. You're disingenuous. You said we're measuring it from zenith. Liar. Horizon.
If
liar.
That's true.
Horizon. Liar. You're not looking at the zenith mirror, you abject liar. You disgust me.
If that's true, then why?
It is true. What do you mean if?
It's true.
You told me horizon mirror, if it's true, after lying about zenith angles. Liar, you disgust me with your bullish, over testosterone charged, constant interruptions with your lies and deceit about zenith angles. Zenith angle with a horizon mirror, absurd lies from a disingenuous scumbag liar. Don't lie to me anymore, Brenda. Your time in this discussion's over. Don't repeatedly tell the audience.
Why is it subtracted?
Don't repeatedly tell my audience that you're measuring zenith angles. And then when I ask how, with a horizon mirror, you disingenuous liar.
Then why is the dip?
Don't ask me something, you disingenuous liar. You've just lied to my audience. You're not measuring zenith angles, liar. Is that not clear? You don't need to keep talking through me.
Answer me.
Get more aggressive for me. You just get that testosterone flowing for us, Brenda, with your aggression that you're trying so hard to contain. Is this you attempting so hard to remain calm with me? Is it there, Brenda? Is this you remaining nice and calm? Try and be a bit more ladylike. Excuse me, I'm talking about how much you lied about zenith angles. You don't get a zenith angle from a horizon mirror. You're a disingenuous liar. Don't ask me anything. I don't want to be asked anything from disingenuous liars. Isn't that clear?
Why is the dip
Don't ask me anything. I am done with your disingenuous behavior. You're not going to ask me anything. You don't have the permission you require anymore, Brenda.
You know that you're a liar.
Excuse me. Somebody telling my audience over and over again that we have a zenith angle, and then when asked how you acquire it, you say from a horizon mirror, it makes you the liar. And now you need to project that lie onto me.
Subtracted?
Excuse me, I'm not being asked anything by you. You're a scumbag.
Why
you're a liar.
Is the dip subtracted?
Sorry, I don't want to talk to you anymore, Brenda. I know you want
I know
my
you
attention.
don't want to answer this question because it
don't
shows
want
that
your
you're
attention
lying
anymore.
about what
Go
an angle
away.
of elevation
Go
is.
away, vile liar. I don't want to be in your presence anymore. Go away.
May I address this, though? Because what she's talking about is the elevation angle is measured from the horizontal. The zenith angle, which you will develop your circle of equal elevation, is subtracted from 90. That angle you just measured, you subtract it from 90 to get your area of equal elevation.
Yes, that's correct. I just want to drop in that when she originally asked how it was done, that's precisely what I told her. And she ignored it completely, didn't she?
Yes. And the thing is, you're calculating the distance using that measured angle subtracted from 90. It still requires a flat earth.